How to add crossout in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. From the top menu, click All Tools. Scroll down or search by Add Comments. Click it. Now, select and upload the PDF where you want to add the crossout. Once your file opens, a toolbar appears on the left. Look for the section that says Fill in Form Fields or hover to find it. In the toolbar, find the Crossout or Strikethrough Text tool. It usually looks like a letter with a line through it or just a simple line. Click it, then go to the part of the text you want to cross out and drag across it. Boom! Crossed out. Want to change how it looks? Click on the Crossed Out text. A style menu should pop up. Change the color, increase the size, or even delete and redo if needed. And that's it. Super simple cross out in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.